everyone, just a quick video to go over the 3D mode in Civillo. So we touched on this in a few of our other videos about terrain, surfaces, cross sections, but this one just to specifically talk about 3D and just show you how to use it in Civillo with a good example of some 3D data. So simply just this icon here, this 3D mode button. When we click that, we go into 3D mode and we can start scrolling around in 3D. So I use the sort of middle button on my mouse to pan in this 3D sense like this, as opposed to sort of normal scrolling in Civillo. So that would be my recommendation there. But this is just to show an example of some 3D data in Civillo. It's a mixture of a few different layers, so some traditional feature survey, some mobile laser scanning, and some feature extraction from the mobile laser scanning with different 3D objects that we can see here. So yeah, you can just pan around and visualize data in 3D. The other thing, I guess, to point out is that the terrain we have turned on over here is an airborne laser scanning surface, and you can kind of see there how the terrain drapes quite nicely onto the imagery, or vice versa, to see a visual representation of the area with the terrain and the imagery. So that's really it. It's pretty straightforward, and like I said, there's other videos that explain the cross sections and surfaces and terrains in a bit more detail. So go and check them out as well if you want any more info on any of this stuff.